This is a step-by-step guide on setting up an eSIM on your iOS device. Before you begin, make sure that you have a strong internet connection, ideally from a Wi-Fi network or a good 4G connection. Check that your phone supports the eSIM function. Check on our website. A device that is network unlocked. Now let's start. To begin, go to Settings, then Cellular, and tap on Add Cellular Plan. Choose Add eSIM and scan the QR code. After scanning, select Add Cellular Plan to add the eSIM to your device. Now, let's activate your eSIM plan. Turn on your eSIM under Cellular or Mobile Plan settings. Set your default line as your new eSIM. Set your mobile data to your new eSIM. To use data abroad, enable data roaming. Remember to turn off your primary line to avoid roaming charges from your carrier. Rest assured, activating data roaming for your eSIM will not incur extra charges from us. And that's it! Your iOS device is now eSIM ready. Enjoy the convenience of Simfinity data plan and stay connected wherever you go. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips.